In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable Dropbox Smart Sync. Dropbox Smart Sync is a useful feature that lets you see all of your Dropbox files directly on your computer without taking up hard drive space right away. Instead of storing everything locally, files can stay online until you actually need them. That makes this especially helpful if you're working with limited storage or you keep a lot of large files in Dropbox. Before getting started, make sure a few basics are already in place. You'll need the Dropbox desktop app installed on your computer. You should already be signed into your account, and you'll need an active internet connection so Dropbox can apply the setting properly. To begin, open your Dropbox settings. On Windows, click the Dropbox icon in the taskbar. On a Mac, click the Dropbox icon in the menu bar. Once the Dropbox panel opens, click your profile picture or your initials, then choose Preferences. This is where you'll find the sync and storage related options for your Dropbox app. Inside Preferences, go to the Sync tab. In this section, look for the Smart Sync area. Once you find it, turn on the option to enable Smart Sync. This activates the feature and allows Dropbox to manage files in a more space-efficient way on your computer. While you're still in the sync settings, take a moment to set the default file mode for new files. This part is important because it determines how newly added Dropbox files behave on your device. Find the setting called Default for New Files. You'll usually have two main choices here. If you choose Online Only, new files will appear in your Dropbox folder, but they won't use up local storage until you open them. This is the best choice if you want to save as much space as possible. If you choose Local, new files will automatically download to your computer, which can be more convenient if you regularly need offline access. After that, you can start using Smart Sync on individual files. To make a file online only, go to your Dropbox folder on your computer, right-click the file, click Smart Sync, and then select Online Only. This removes the local copy while keeping the file visible in the folder. If you want that file downloaded back to your computer later, just right-click it again, choose Smart Sync, and then select Local. Dropbox will download the file so it's available on your device. That's it. Once Smart Sync is enabled and your default mode is set the way you want, you'll have more control over your storage while still keeping easy access to your Dropbox files.